Dear friends, again I am here with one of my video, Dasai Festival. Yes, here I am going to talk regarding festivals. People celebrate different festivals according to their caste, religion and culture. Festivals play a significant role in our social and cultural life. When people celebrate various festivals, it strengthens the bond among the family members, relatives, friends and neighbors. People forget all their disputes and conflicts with each other during festivals. There are a number of festivals observed in Nepal. Usually, the festivals are observed in honor of a god and goddess. Dasai is one of the major festivals of Hindus. This festival is the symbol of victory of the god and goddesses over the demons. It is observed during the month of September or October for 15 days. This festival is also known as Bada Dasai, Dashera and Vijayadashami in Nepal, and in India it is known as Kali Puja, Durga Puja and Dasahra. Ghatastapana. Ghatastapana marks the beginning of Dasai. Ghatastapana is the first day of Vijayadashami. Ghata means pot or vessel and Sthapana means to establish. Combining both words, the literal meaning is to establish a pot. Ghatastapana is also known as Kalash Sthapana, as Kalash also a type of water vessel. Fulpati. Fulpati literally means flower, leaves and plants. There is a tradition in Nepal of bringing 9 types of Fulpati into the puja room of the house. Veda celebration in the 7th day of Vijayadashami is also called Fulpati in Nepal. Mahaashtami. Mahaashtami marks the 8th day of the festival, and on this auspicious day, devotees tend to observe rigorous feast, fast, and worship for goddess Durga, who symbolizes strength. Mahanavami. Mahanavami or Durga Navami is celebrated as the victory of good over evil. It is the last day of battle between goddess Durga and demon Mahishasur. Mahanavami begins with Mahasnan holy bath by offering prayers to goddess Durga or Ma Durga. One famous myth is there regarding Mahanavami or Avatar Durga. Mahishasur had gained the boon that no man could kill him. In the battles between the gods and demons, the Devas led by Indra were defeated by Mahishasur. Subjected by their defeat, the Devas assemble in the mountains where their combined divine energies coalesce into goddess Durga. It is famous myth. Vijayadashami. Vijayadashami is celebrated in the 10th day of this festival. On this day, elders offer Tika and Jamra. Tika and Jamra means seedlings of barley and maize. So on this day, elders offer Tika and Jamra to the junior members of the family along with their blessing and dakshina. We can see in this picture, elders are offering Tika and Jamra to their junior family members. The entire family members gather together to exchange their happiness and good wishes among each other. All the government and private institutions remain closed during this festival. People wear new clothes and eat delicious food. While children are busy in flying kites, the older members of the family pass their time by getting together. Children enjoy ping different kinds of fairs and celebrations. Events are also organized during this festival. People, whether they are rich or poor, celebrate this festival with great joy. We can see, dear friends, we can see in this picture, children are flying kites, they are enjoying swing. Festival means togetherness, festival means happiness, festival means relationship. So, festivals are playing significant role in our life. It is very important because we get time to meet with each other and to share our happiness. So friend, this much only for today. Do not forget to like, comment and share. Thank you. Bye bye.